So how to stop TV license harassment. So if you've been receiving letters from TV licensing saying you don't have a TV license, but you don't want one, and you simply just want to stop the harassment, then you're going to need to declare that you don't need a TV license. So to go ahead and do that, you're going to want to come to this web page here, which is a declaration to say that you don't need a TV license. So I'll leave a link below for this page in the description. But once you're on this page, you simply just want to go ahead and fill out the questions. So first question, do you already have a TV license? So for the example of this video, if you don't have one and you just want to stop the letters, you can go ahead and select no. Then once you've selected no, you'll then be asked, have you previously told us you don't need a license? So again, for the example of this video, we're going to say no. And then from there, just make sure you give this all a read, especially this check the law section, just to make sure that you are legally covered and don't have to pay. But once you've done that, if you simply just scroll down, you'll then just need to go ahead and start your declaration. So it will just ask you if you watch certain programs. Obviously, just make sure you answer everything honestly. But if you don't watch any live TV and you don't use BBC iPlayer, then just make sure that you answer all those questions based on that. Then once you've answered all those questions, it will then tell you at the bottom if you need to pay a TV license. And as you can see, because we don't watch any live TV and we don't use BBC iPlayer, it tells us we don't need a TV license, which is obviously great because it now means we can stop the harassing letters. So to go ahead and do that, if you don't have a TV license and you want to stop the letters, you'll then just need to select right here where it says declare no license needed. Then once you've done that, it opens you up to this page here, and you then just want to go ahead and start your declaration. So first question is just asking you what type of address it is. So that's either home address, student address, or business address. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to say home address. Then from there, you just need to enter your name, email address, and phone number, and then declare if anyone lives at that address. So once you've entered all those details, click continue, and then you'll just need to go ahead and enter the details of the property that you're declaring a no TV license for. That includes property name or number and postcode. Then once you've done that, you can select find address. And then from here, it should confirm back to you what that address is. So if that's correct, you can go ahead and press continue. And then once you've done that, you'll then be brought through to this page, which again is just your declaration. So once again, you'll just need to confirm that you don't watch any live TV and you don't use BBC iPlayer. And then once you've done that, at the bottom, it'll ask you when you intend to start watching live TV. But you can also just say, I have no plans at the moment, and that will bypass that section. And then from there, you can click continue. And then from there, you'll then be brought through to this final page where you'll just need to review and confirm. So just give this all a read. And then once you've done that, you can select I understand. And then once you've done that, select submit. And there you have it. And you've now successfully made your declaration, and you should no longer be receiving any further correspondence with TV licensing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.